TitanCloud's market-leading SIR technology not only delivers environmental compliance, but also provides strategic value. By turning raw data into operational intelligence, SIR serves as a foundation for fuel analytics, delivering powerful insights that fuel retailers can act on. TitanCloud is recognized as the most accurate provider of SIR services, offering unmatched leak detection and lower operational costs. EPA certified and approved by the National Workgroup on Leak Detection. Every day, our SIR system monitors more than 24,000 tanks worldwide. Our SIR platform centrally collects your sales, delivery, and tank volume data for a range of analysis periods based on your budget and risk profile. SIR provides full visibility across your network on the actual losses or gains that the fuel system is experiencing and can help you identify issues like tank or line leaks, inaccurate tank gauging, water ingress, unrecorded sales, theft, and more. By leveraging existing data, we empower fuel operators like you to move beyond reactive issue management, enabling proactive, performance-driven decisions grounded in data. The result is a smarter, more resilient operation optimized for efficiency, profitability, and customer satisfaction. Well-positioned to compete and grow in an increasingly demanding retail environment,